Okay, Mike. Follow me here. I'm guessing a pair of wolves, a pack of wolves, entered the house through some open door or window, attacked in the dead of night.
We haven't found any hair that supports that hypothesis.
Maybe they cleaned the crime scene. Damn voice commands.
Counsel.
Let's get back to the wolf idea later. How about this? A gang of circus-trained clowns use their acrobatic antics to gain access to the attic. They moved down to plunder the kitchen. There was a firefight.
There are no shells here, boss. Or bullet holes.
Okay, I think I got it now. Maybe not clowns, but a lone intruder, or several, dressed as delivery men. They knocked at the door and...
It's plum juice, boss.
Hello?
This is Young Street 34.
This is 43.
Wrong house. What a twist.
Set the scene with Flic Twist. Advanced smart home control so easy to use that even children and guests can handle it. No voice commands or phones needed. Flic Twist is the first of its kind wireless smart dial that you can place anywhere. Use the simple interactions push, rotate, and push-rotate to control every aspect of your smart home. Use push and rotate for family-friendly controls and push-rotate to unleash features never seen before in a smart home. Control lights, blend between scenes, change volumes, and much more. With support for the new smart home standard Matter, Flic Twist will be able to control pretty much anything from almost every major brand. No voice commands to remember, no apps or logins to share, and no instructions to explain.